Why does your scanner show the P0723 engine code? What does it mean? P0723 is a diagnostic trouble code for output shaft speed sensor circuit intermittent. The P0723 engine code for indicate the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, or transmission control module, is receiving an unstable, erratic, or dropping signal. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged or corroded or connectors, faulty output speed sensor, low or contaminated fluid, damaged reluctor ring, faulty shift solenoid or body issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Ford, Honda, Hyundai, and Kia. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.